Hello, my name is Gail, and I'm with the Atlanta Ghost Hunters. And tonight, for the first time ever, I'll be doing an EVP session here in my home. I've never done one here before, so I'm not sure what we will pick up tonight, but we will give it a try. As you can tell, or see here, that I have an EMF pump running. Helps put electromagnetic charges into the air. I also have a digital voice recorder going at all times. Is there any spirits that would like to speak tonight? I come in peace. Hello? Is there anyone here that would like to talk tonight? I come as a friend.
Back.
Yes. Back. I am back, that's right. As many people don't know, I was doing an EVP session here a few hours ago, and I said I'd be back.
The shot. Interesting.
Angel Stay. You know my cat's name? I had to change my batteries. I had them charged up here on my video camera, but my batteries went dead all of a sudden. While I was changing them, my cat climbed up on the chair, and my cat's name is Angel, and what was so surprising is that it came through on the ghost box. The spirit said, Angel, stay. And for proof, she's right here.
What is it?
That is Angel.
Oh.